The Mosquito Retractable banner stand is an economy, versatile stand that provides high-quality messaging at an affordable price point. Attaching the graphic to your Mosquito is easy. Start by opening up the toolless snap top rail and sliding your graphic into the channel and snapping it shut when finished. After securing the rail, re-roll your graphic so that the rail is on the inside of the roll. It's now time to attach your graphic to the white leader strip, which comes pre-attached to the base. Apply masking tape to either side of the leader strip for extra support while attaching your graphic. Align the graphic up with the edge of the leader strip, facing up. Peel back the protective coating while continuously applying pressure to both the graphic and leader strip, smoothing as you go along. For extra support, apply a strip of masking tape along the seam before retracting your graphic. Grasp the rolled graphic firmly and remove the pin from the left side of the base. Slowly feed your graphic into the stand. Once complete, your Mosquito Retractable banner stand is ready for display.